Hi there everyone. Today we got a old model A720 in a very bad condition. It was giving a light but not switching on now. Maybe the battery is very dead. We're gonna change LCD and back cover. Back cover I didn't get it, but for now I'm gonna change the LCD for you. So we're going to heat up. If it is in this condition, just be careful with your hands and wear some eye protection because these glasses can come off. We're gonna heat up from here with this heat gun. I'm gonna pause the video here so we can just put tweezer somewhere to pluck out the LCD. It's gonna come out in pieces because it is in very dangerous condition. This new LCD is also very thin, so be careful about it. I think the battery is gone also. This we're gonna keep it for now because I don't have any other back cover. We're gonna give the customer pouch in case we don't get anything. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17 missing. So there are 17 screws. This is your wireless charging, so be careful with it, don't damage it. Yeah, I think the battery is gone. Let's see. We're gonna open these old screws. I'm gonna pause here. Once all the screws are out, we can take out these bit by bit. Just check where it is. It has clips obviously. We have to be careful, we don't want to break anything. I don't know if the battery was connected or not, it looked loose. But it looks also the battery is gone. Now we're going to insert the new LCD in here. These LCDs are very difficult to fit. Aligning is very difficult. Even sometimes you struggle with the connector as well. They're very thin LCDs, so you have to be very careful with these ones, and you gotta figure it out how to put it nicely so it can fit proper. It's better to start from the bottom. We're gonna leave it on charging to see if there is any progress. Otherwise, you can start putting the glue here. Put all this back, all of that. First the top one will go. Then this ringer and other mechanism will go. No, not the top one first, because I see the clips here. So first we're gonna put the ringer nicely. Once you have tested it, and then when you have put the glue, that's only where you start closing it. You can hear the sound, clicking sound. Once these sounds are there, that means you are going on the right track. Now you put back all the screws. I don't know if the phone is going to switch on or not, but once your phone has switched on, you put all the all the screws, then you put all the glue back there. There is some kind of issue here, I believe, because this thing is not blinking. If it is charging, my cable start blinking, mean it's taking amperes. So maybe the phone is no power as well, but we will check that later on. So now, for now, your LCD repair is done. Then you can just put all the screws and you put glue around here, and then you connect it. This is how you change the LCD on A720 Samsung. I'm going to charge it and see that if this thing is turning on. Until next time, goodbye. Please subscribe my channel, ask any question regarding with the repair. I'll try my best to reply you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.